My classmates are a diverse and fascinating group of individuals, each bringing their unique personality and background to our shared experience at university. When I think about them, I realize how much they contribute to the dynamic nature of our classroom and how they shape my journey as a student. Spending time with them, both in and out of class, has given me a deeper appreciation for the variety of perspectives and talents that people can bring to the table. The first person that comes to mind is Ava. She has an incredible ability to stay organized and on top of things, making her a natural leader in group projects. Whenever we are assigned a collaborative task, she is the one who steps up to delegate responsibilities and ensure everyone stays on track. Ava is meticulous in her work, and her dedication often inspires the rest of us to put in our best effort. Despite her serious approach to academics, she has a warm and approachable demeanor, making it easy for others to connect with her. Then there is Liam, who is known for his quick wit and sense of humor. He has a knack for lightening the mood, especially during stressful moments like exam preparation or late-night study sessions. Liam's jokes and playful banter create a relaxed environment that helps us all stay motivated. But beyond his humor, he is also incredibly insightful. His contributions to class discussions often reveal a depth of understanding that surprises me. He has a way of looking at problems from unconventional angles, which adds a fresh perspective to our conversations. Emma is another classmate who stands out to me. She has a quiet and thoughtful presence, often choosing to listen rather than speak. But when she does share her thoughts, her words carry weight. Emma has a talent for analyzing complex ideas and presenting them in a way that is clear and compelling. She is particularly passionate about environmental issues and often brings up topics related to sustainability in our discussions. Her passion is contagious, and I find myself more conscious of my own habits and choices because of her influence. There is also Carlos, whose energy seems boundless. He is involved in almost every extracurricular activity imaginable, from sports teams to student government. Carlos has a way of juggling multiple commitments without ever seeming overwhelmed. His enthusiasm is infectious, and he has a gift for rallying people around a cause or event. Whether it is organizing a charity drive or leading a debate competition, Carlos pours his heart into everything he does. His dedication to making a difference inspires me to step out of my comfort zone and get more involved in campus life. Sophia, on the other hand, is the epitome of creativity. She has an artistic flair that shows in everything she does, from her class presentations to the way she decorates her notebooks. Sophia is majoring in graphic design, and her talent is evident in the projects she shares with us. She often helps us visualize abstract concepts with her illustrations, making learning more engaging and memorable. Her creativity is not limited to academics. She also organizes art workshops and encourages others to explore their creative sides. Being around her has taught me to appreciate the beauty in everyday things. Another classmate who has had a significant impact on me is Ahmed. He has a calm and steady presence that balances out the more energetic personalities in our group. Ahmed is deeply knowledgeable in our field of study and often helps others understand difficult concepts. He is patient and generous with his time, often staying back after class to tutor those who are struggling. Ahmed's humility and kindness make him someone everyone respects and admires. He has taught me the importance of giving back and supporting others in their learning journey. Then there is Mia, who is a natural storyteller. She has a way with words that captivates everyone in the room. Whether she is sharing a personal anecdote or presenting a case study, Mia's storytelling skills make the subject come alive. She is majoring in communications, and it is clear that she has found her calling. Mia often takes the lead in class presentations, and her ability to connect with the audience ensures that the message always comes across effectively. Her confidence and charisma are qualities I aspire to develop in myself. Noah, on the other hand, is the tech wizard of our class. He is the person everyone turns to when they face technical difficulties or need advice on software tools. Noah has an impressive ability to learn and adapt to new technologies, and he often shares his knowledge with the rest of us. He recently helped me set up a complex data analysis tool for a project, patiently walking me through the steps until I felt confident using it. Noah's willingness to help and his enthusiasm for technology have made him an invaluable resource for our class. Isabella is someone I deeply admire for her resilience and determination. She has faced challenges that would have deterred many, yet she approaches life with unwavering optimism and strength. Isabella often shares her experiences during class discussions, offering insights that come from a place of genuine understanding. Her perseverance is a reminder that success is not just about talent but also about hard work and persistence. She inspires me to keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Lastly, there is Ethan, who has a curious mind and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. He is the one who always asks the thought-provoking questions that spark deeper discussions. Ethan's curiosity extends beyond academics. He is always exploring new hobbies and interests, from photography to cooking. His enthusiasm for learning is contagious, and it encourages me to stay curious and open-minded. Being around Ethan reminds me that there is always more to discover and explore. Reflecting on my classmates, I realize how much I have learned from them, not just academically but also personally. Each of them brings something unique to our shared experience, enriching it in ways I could never have imagined. They challenge me to think differently, to push myself harder, and to appreciate the diversity of talents and perspectives that make our class so special. While university is undoubtedly about acquiring knowledge and skills, it is also about the relationships we build and the people who shape our journey. My classmates are an integral part of that journey, and I am grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow alongside them. Outside the classroom, our interactions take on a different dynamic. Whether it is collaborating on group projects, preparing for exams, or simply hanging out at the campus cafe, these moments deepen our connections and create lasting memories. I think about the late-night study sessions where we share snacks and encouragement, or the impromptu discussions that turn into hours of debating ideas. These experiences have taught me the value of teamwork and the joy of learning together. As I navigate the challenges and opportunities of university life, I find strength and inspiration in the people around me. My classmates are more than just peers. They are collaborators, mentors, and friends. They remind me that learning is not a solitary endeavor but a shared journey, one that is enriched by the diversity and creativity of those who walk it with me. Looking ahead, I am excited to see how we will continue to grow and support each other, both during our time at university and beyond. The bonds we have formed here are ones I hope to carry with me for a lifetime.